Hi, it's Carl from PSP Data. We generally get asked the difference between Cat6 and a Cat6a system. Again, the bandwidth is the main difference between the two cable types. Also, Cat6a generally comes as a shielded system. Also, the price difference, you're probably looking at somewhere around 30% uplift for Cat6a against Cat6. Cat6a does come with tighter insulation restraints as well for bend radius and capacity within containment. You would generally use a Cat6a system to future-proof the network and be prepared for 10 gig to the desktop. Also, for applications for server links, you would use Cat6a for 10 gig copper links between servers.